Prevention is the key when managing moderate anxiety. Build your foundation with structured routine, good sleep, balanced meal, and regular exercise. These habits stabilize your mind and body. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or breathing exercises daily to reduce mental overload. Stay connected with friends, family, or supportive group. Emotional support matters. Track your symptoms so you can adjust habits or seek for a professional help. Engage in hobby and meaningful activity that boost your self-esteem and give a purpose to avoid harmful substance like alcohol or other drugs as they can worsen your anxiety. Have a crisis plan. Knowing helping numbers and trusted contact. Consistency is prevent care, strengthen resiliency and protect long-term mental health. Lifestyle changes can make a huge difference in managing moderate anxiety. Start with regular sleep and meal timings. A stable routine helps regulate your body, clock, and emotions. Add moderate physical activity like walking, yoga, or swimming. It's naturally reduce stress, hormones, and boost your mood. Nutrition matters. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grain, healthy fats, and drink enough water. Try to limit caffeine, sugar, and alcohol as they can increase anxiety symptoms. Mindfulness, meditation, or guided relaxation, just 10 to 20 minutes in a day, can calm your mind. Stay social connected. Supportive conversations reduce emotional burden. Engage in hobbies that give you joy and confidence. Small, consistent lifestyle habits build strong term emotional strength. When anxiety is moderate, monitoring symptoms become essential. Common signs include persistent worry, restlessness, irritability, poor sleep, low concentration, or fatigueness. These signs give early signals before anxiety gets worse. Triggers, sleeps, and your mood, your energy level using a journal or digital app help you to spot a pattern. Early awareness allow timely lifestyle or treatment adjustments, mindfulness and relaxation technique. Calm the nervous system. Regular routine in sleep, meal and activity support self-regulation. Social support offers reassurance and perspective. Staying physical active and eating well also stabilize emotion. Recognizing early warning signs empower you to act early, preventing anxiety from becoming severe. Moderate anxiety is more than just occasional worry. You may feel constantly tense, restless, or irritable, and it can start affecting your sleep, focus, work, and relationships. Some people also experience muscle tightness, fatigueness, stomach disturbance, or headache. The good news is moderate anxiety is manageable. Early awareness is very important. Evidence based treatment like cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness practice, and sometimes medical help can significantly support you. Along with professional guidance, daily routine, regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and social connection play a powerful role. Cognitive behavior patterns are very effective for moderate anxiety. Often anxiety grows from negative or repetitive thoughts. CBT helps you to identify, question, and replace those thoughts with a more realistic and balanced one. Another key step is behavior activation. Doing meaningful activity even when motivation is low. Things prevent avoidance and builds confidence. Mindfulness and deep breathing reduce your physical tension, and improve focus. Writing your thoughts and triggers in a journal help you to understand pattern and progress. Structure routine bring predictability, which lowers stress reactivity. Social supports friend, family, or therapist strengthen coping up skills. Avoid excessive usage of caffeine and alcohol as they can interfere your emotional regulation. With regular practice, these patterns reduce anxiety, instant and improve resilience.